Started with a positive pregnancy test. Went to go find out the gender, and that's when the ultrasound said her ventricles were dilated in Kaylee's head. She recommended that we go see a specialist at the Cleveland Clinic, and we did. And from there, it kind of snowballed. We were there a lot. It wasn't an exciting pregnancy like normal. It was very scary. But they were teaching me what was wrong with her, how they were gonna fix it, what to expect. Because she was in utero, she was still growing, so her bones were adapting to her brain. So we had this beautiful baby with an enormous head. Kaylee was 7 pounds, her body was 2, and her head was 5. It was 18 inches around it. She couldn't move her head at all. She was actually homebound the first year and a half she was alive. She couldn't live like that. She couldn't do anything. It was terrible. It was absolutely terrible. Dr. Violet Racinos and Dr. Bahar Basiri suggested doing skull reconstruction, plastic surgery. They take the skull off of Kaylee's brain, break it, redo it, so it's like a brand new puzzle put together on her head. The surgery was on her first birthday. Happy birthday, Kaylee. She had a brand new head. It was 8 weeks after surgery, she finally lifted her head.
Ready, set.
Kaylee is amazing. She's unstoppable. She can do anything. If she wants to do it, she's going to do it. We've been coming here every week for 3 years. Her team is massive. Physical therapists, occupational therapists, speech therapists, doctors, nurses, specialists. Everybody here is like family. They really treat your child like that's their child. They've watched her grow from this tiny, helpless little baby to this crazy 4-year-old running around. They love her, it's great. Cleveland Clinic Children's is the best in the world. I recommend this hospital 100%.